Welcome to another Minecraft video. I'm going to be playing on my normal world, Vortexa, and I'll see how that goes. I'll come back to you once it's finally loaded.
Hello guys, we're just gonna show the tops.
Hi guys, Vortex here, and we have today's Cyclone 13 in our world. It's lagging, as it usually does when he joins.
The lag is real, guys.
Okay guys, I'll be getting us to get the audio together, so hold on. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm actually in on my horse. You can see Cyclone's there. I'm gonna get off. I'm actually gonna go to my room and see what I can get done.
I really don't wanna.
Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry I didn't talk, but my progress was quitted off by something. I had to check that out, cause I don't know what it really is. Something's wrong here. All of the progress we made in the last video is actually quit off. If this is happening to you guys, you could probably comment and tell us what's your problem. Guys, I really don't know how to fix this problem, but this has been happening for a few days now. And I think that it's actually a problem with Minecraft, a problem the developers made, but I guess we'll see about that. And I'm going to be making this into my bedroom like I said I would, away from Cyclone. Don't tell him if you're on his channel. I'm trying to surprise him, kind of. I'll see what I can do right here, and I'll come back to you once I'm finished. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished furnishing the house to somewhat extent. I wanted to resume so you could see it. I guess this is mostly what it's gonna look like. I made a slight, I can't say slight, but I made a few changes since the last video. Since the last video's progress was quit off. I don't know why that always happens, but whatever guys, I hope you enjoy it. This really is what I wanted to do for some time. I always wanted to be a YouTuber, not as my job, but just wanted to try it out. And here we go. I guess that's my bedroom. I could say, don't forget I have another one. Go here and see what Cyclone's doing. I wonder what he's doing. I hope this doesn't bug him. I don't know why I did that, guys. I apologize if I'm not speaking to you as much. I don't know why I do this, but sometimes I just stop talking and do lots of junk. come on, the electric's still glitchy. The igloo has already been raided, so I'll come to with that sooner or later, guys. Gosh, I hate these creepers. Off. Did it die? Yeah, it did. Anyway, back into here. It's probably my room, I think. Yeah, it is. Those guys, this is my room. I'm gonna make this my actual room, so I'm gonna finish here. Actually, let me finish building this. Finish the construction. Oh my gosh, I hate that. Guys, if the quality of this video is not what you expected, I'm sorry. It was either the frames or the resolution, and I didn't know what to pick, but I hope I made the right choice, and I hope the quality is good. I think that the screen card I use is a very good one. I recommend it. It's called Mobizen, if I haven't already said that. Go shout out to Beastly Gamer. Shout out to Stampy, I believe it's good. Shout out to Cyclone Gaming. You should go and view his videos and like him and subscribe. As I always say, like and subscribe for more. Suggest the content I should upload. If you don't like what I upload, please suggest something, because this is a kid-friendly channel, and if you want to hate on me because of that, go ahead, but my word is true. Yes, I am. Sorry about that, guys. He's probably finished his recording. Today Cyclone 13 said, "Hi YouTube." Okay, guys. I don't know. I've been hearing a lot of problems. People say that Minecrafters are gay. If you think so, if you want to be gay, look in the mirror. Okay, guys. I'm fixing up my audio, so if it isn't the best, sorry about that. You're having problems with the microphone, so don't leave any hate on me. I really wouldn't enjoy that. Okay, guys, I'm just about finished this, I think. Wait, no, I still have another wall to do. Yep, I do. The struggle is real, guys. Oh, come on. And here we go. Okay, guys, if you see any problems with the videos, please comment and tell me what it is, and I'll try to fix it. I really hope everyone can enjoy my channel, and please share my channel around. And if I get promoted, I'll promote you. Leave some suggestions for promotions in my videos, and I'll probably do it. Let's go check on Cyclone's bedroom. I guess this is what he wants to call it. Doing it for the YouTube. gosh, I said the sentence wrong. I said I doing for the YouTube. Wait, doesn't he get it yet? He can't have his bedroom that high. Your bedroom can't be that large. Oh, come on, dude, I told you this already. I don't like when he does that. It really ticks me off. No. NP, no problem. Sorry. Maybe I've come off jealous. No, feel very horrible on the inside. Okay, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna finish this. Okay. I can't really remember how I built the house. Well, how I helped build the house. As I said already, Cyclone was actually who built this house. And thanks to him, we have a very large, gorgeous house. The thing now I have to fix, the only problem with this house is nothing. I actually love it. I just gotta furnish it and keep it nice and easy. I hope that we can have more collaborations in the nearby future. I may have to stop uploading for some time because I have an examination called the 11 plus. Well, we call it that. It's commonly known as that. But more formally, it's called, what's it called? Barbados Secondary School Entrance Examination. And that kind of actually determines the rest of your life. So, if you don't do it properly, I don't know what's going to happen. You have to try to aim for a good school. I'm looking to go to the best school because my studies indicate that I can reach there. You have to get 90s or high 80s to go there, and that's the sort of marks I'm getting now. Okay, guys, someone's calling. Alright, guys. Oh, that lag. Yeah? Mother's calling me. Hey, guys, I'm back. We had a problem. People are shouting right now. So we'll be.
You shut the door, aren't they?
Oh gosh, that was someone shouting from the outside of the house. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, guys, we're about to do a collaboration with Cyclone Gaming, and we'll be starting in 3, 2, 1. Cyclone.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm doing a collaboration with Vortex here, so if you hear him, you'll know.
Yeah.
Oh,
same goes for you.
Go and check out his channel. His channel is really great. He uploads content and collabs and such like that. It's more like the same thing I do. So
isn't it ironic that I just told my viewers that? That's exactly what, well, close to what I said. I told them to go like and subscribe to the channel.
like and subscribe to his channel. Shout out to Vortex Gaming and such forth. So now, I was thinking about building a
PvP battle?
PvP arena. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Part of your house.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
A part of my house?
Yeah, I'll do it.
You mean underground?
No, it can be in a separate room too, above ground. So I just came to inform you that, and we're gonna try to bring you guys.
Oh, this weather. This weather always brings lag. I hate it.
Yeah, you can clear the weather if you want to.
Not that I hate the snow. I'm a big fan.
Yeah, we're gonna think about doing a collaboration with one of our friends. His name is Jaden. I don't know if he has a channel yet, so I'll inform you guys further if he does. And yeah, so that's coming. The PvP arena will be here, and I'll get back to you guys once I've done something more of my room. So yeah.
Okay, also guys, I have some good news for you. I might be uploading Clash Royale. I'm not sure of it yet. Either Clash Royale or a different game I might download. You're gonna see the game. I think some of you might like it, but I guess time will decide. So, if any of you have a channel, drop some names in the comment section. This freaking lag, I hate it. Oh god. Anyway guys, a big thanks to Cyclone Gaming for building my house. It's a lovely, fabulous house, but there's only one problem that I have with it. It is extremely, just kidding guys, it's perfect. Yeah, I do that. Oh, come on. The lighter in this world is off the charts when it comes to glitching. All the time, it actually glitches out on you. Oh, I see what he's doing.
Oh, Vortex?
Yeah.
Follow me.
Dude, I don't know where you are.
Right here.
My game is glitching out. And I feel like Glitchingham Buckley. Okay, I'm here. Elytra makes this real laggy. Yeah?
So, this is the hallway from my room to your room. It's a secret hallway. So...
Not too secret anymore.
I just want... Yeah, not too secret anymore. So, I just want you to...
Destroy it?
Yeah.
What the holy cow, dude. What? That's a secret room. What? Okay, guys. I'll destroy it. I'll destroy it for the YouTube. The things I do for you guys. You really ought to be happy. So I'll have to reposition my bedroom, and I'll come back to you once I've finished that. Hi guys, I'm just coming to give you a quick update. The house is coming good, but I'm not completely finished yet, so I'll get to you later. Hey guys, I'm back. The room is finished.
Hey guys.
Oh, we're here with Cyclone.
Doing a lot of work.
So I just finished my room. I'm gonna upload the video. So I'll see you guys later.